Made me miss my trade, everyone. Well, I was gonna look for a short entry up there. YouTube. Not me, Steve. I don't like Nike as a company, personally. I mean, I like some of the stuff, but if I don't, when I'm thinking about buying something like that, I always like to have some kind of conviction with my buy, find it useful as a company. Man, is it still working?
So I'm gonna watch for this pre-market low sweep for longs.
Missed my trade. Having technical issues again.
You were
Looking for shorts.
shorts
Yeah.
40.
The 50% retracement, yeah.
Well, you're getting almost there again. Only 10 points away. You got the chance again. I'm personally waiting. I haven't had a lot of luck in those types of trades lately. This candle actually looks halfway decent. $15-minute chart isn't showing a whole lot. Can we calibrate with TradingView by connecting TradeAvate? I'm not sure. Probably. I don't really use TradingView to trade. I just use it to chart. I just charted TradingView. I don't trade on it.
Yeah, welcome back for now on YouTube. Hopefully it holds up. Sorry if I missed any questions. I was dealing with YouTube again. Yeah, data's dropping, what, minute 30? Less than 1 minute, we have more data or news dropping. Whatever's dropping. I haven't taken we have not taken a trade together yet. Well, it's lowering volume going up, so that's good. I don't think I want to try shorts again though. I mean, I don't think I want to look for a short entry now. Not again, rather. Since we already made a move down from where I was looking to enter, you know? I'm going to wait till we get out of this 15-minute range, okay? Yep. Which way are we going to go? That's the $1 million question, right?
Um,
No, I'm not
and then
trying anything.
what's up, bro?
He asked me if I was trying shorts. I said, no, I'm not trying anything here.
Launch it. Oh, a minute. Yeah, it's just a little high risk for me trying shorts after holding that midpoint.
A little trickery. We got raising volume here, but I'm not sure if it's going to sweep that point, like sweep and go down, or continue up. Getting higher volumes. Let's see what well, never mind.
Necessarily because there's no trend.
You taking anything here? You're gonna wait till we get out of this 15-minute range.
Probably not keep you out of the range. I had red day yesterday, so I'm going to be a little more cautious today. I don't think it looks terrible for shorts up here. I just don't. It doesn't take much to send us flying. What I use for trend indication is a series of higher lows or lower highs.
I don't trust this area one bit, everyone. Not at all. We had higher volume on previous candle. We're inside a massive red candle that we got early on. So make sure you hit the follow go live every single morning. And for those that haven't yet, go to grizzlytrades.com and check out Tradeify, their new accounts and stuff. Check it out. Their new what's that platform called? Their new platform? I cannot think of it. TradeC, yeah. TradeC. Just make sure you check them out. Code Grizzly if you try them. Let me know how TradeC is for real. For those that are trying it. Appreciate that, DGC. Is it 40% off right now? Sorry to hear that, Chris. It was only one, or did you have multiple linked together? What happened yesterday to the market, though? I know we had news, but what did the market do from the time we had that news until during the overnight session as well? Big move. When you have big moves like that, you can see days where we stay inside the 15-minute range chop, or at least inside of the pre-market high low. Ryan, that's a valid point, man. Just one. It's not. I mean, it's just one. You can get it back if it's 1,500 profits. At least it wasn't 20 linked together. I'm not in any trade right now. We're just talking, waiting on a setup. Market being weird, doing weird things, so we're just waiting on it to get out of this 15-minute range. What's everyone sipping on this morning? I'm just drinking some water this morning. Scott, I haven't been live on YouTube. I haven't been deleting anything. I let the lives. I leave the lives on there. I'm not gonna mention anything about YouTube. Okay. Last time I said something, it had to restart. Black coffee with creatine, Powerade, zero mix berry. No. Um. Oh, Scott, they show deleted. That's because I tried to start it live 3 different times and it was being weird. And I had to. It was like a 30-second, a minute long, and something weird. Another weird time. Jacob, you're not. You're drinking that this early. Come on. Is everyone staying locked in on the challenge though? Oh, April 4th. Got you. Nice, Harlan. Oh. ZS do anything? Let me know how you like them. I'm from Tennessee. Where you all checking in from this morning? Denver, Columbus, Ohio, Los Angeles, Texas, Miami, Sweden, all over the place.
Uh, This 15-minute high.
You love this price action? Is that what you said?
Yeah, something like that.
Almost like we had a massive move recently.
Yep. Well, I'm glad we didn't short that. I was kind of worried about that. It's not been functioning how it was before.
So you're in Narnia, Cozy. Tell that, what's that goat? Thomas? Or am I saying it right?
Whoops. So there's text.
Yeah, Mr. Tumnus is right.
Along the way, along the way.
Make sure you hit the follow TikTok. Um,
Come on. Do something for me, baby. That was Jester Max. What is a Jester Max? Is that like Moggy?
I hate the trends and stuff on social media. I don't know why it bothers me. It just does. I don't know. Yes, is going down. I was watching to see if we sweep this again. If we have like a sweep looking candle here, I'd be open to taking some shorts, possibly. I was hoping we'd get above that 15-minute range high there first. Ideally, at pre-market high is what I want to sweep. Do you all see a setup that you're watching? Even on individuals, I'll take a look at some individuals. Seems like the big moves have been happening 12, 12:30. You know what? I really don't have nothing else to do today other than work, so if I can get YouTube to stream from my desktop, I may start it back later today. Just hang out with you all most of the day. I agree with you all. You know, the moves have been happening later in this current market, in current market conditions. Yes. Um, do I want to sit at my desk all day or stand at my desk all day and trade all day, even if that's the case? Not really, but I'm gonna have to start. Looks like if I'm gonna make some decent money from trading. No, I couldn't get it set up in time. Okay. I miss the days when we used to trade. I mean, I love trading futures, but we used to trade individuals a lot, options. And I swear, the best moves would happen like the first 15 minutes of market open. Like you get a breakout trade and it just rip, you know. You still got caught in false breakouts, but the breakout trades worked much better then. That's right, Shazo. Shazo remembers. Iran is. I mean, what's going on, Danielle? I need you all to help me out during these lives. You all do a great job. I'm not saying you don't. I'm just saying like we have to keep eyes on tweets, news in this current market because that is our worst enemy at the moment. It's awesome. Nick, I'm glad. Hey, was Jackson? I don't really like longs here yet. Look at the volume. You all know what I mean. See what this candle here does. It's got time. This could be a high volume. This could confirm the orb, which the orb was not yet yesterday, as you all well know. I'm just looking for anything that we could call a trade, right? I'm just looking for confirmation for one of our strategies. I have a feeling we're going to reject that pre-market high hard. Just a feeling. If you look back at like 8, when we had 840, when we had that move up, I didn't see your question there, Ryan. My bad. Thanks for answering, Jackson. One good trade, everyone. That's what we're looking for. This is good volume, everyone. If this candle just doesn't fall apart in these last 30 seconds. I don't. I mean, if I was going to stay up all night and trade the overnight session, I'd have to. I'd have to be making like I don't know what amount of money would make it worth it for me to stay up all night. I don't know if it's worth it to me at any amount. I value my routine, you know? Oh, I swept it. See what this candle. Yeah, it fell apart in 30 seconds. That's funny, Jack. Do you know what the delta on this candle was? It was positive 37 plus 37. So that's what we're working with here. Hmm. What's up, Chad? It's been slow. I mean, as far as trading go, I haven't caught a trade, but it's been pretty fast paced as far as the morning before trading with you all. Busy. Hmm. I'm ready for a trade as well. I cannot force one. Or if this candle would have had red, if it had negative delta, I would try shorts, but it's positive, you know? I can't really justify it. It looks like we're sweeping, right? But rejecting, whatever you want to call it. I think he speaks later today. Any questions for me, everyone? I had some people reach out yesterday morning and tell me they was having issues using my code for Apex, or I think it was yesterday, maybe overnight. Anyways, there was an issue for it was a legit issue. They got it fixed, so Code Grizzly and my link should work now. It wasn't everyone. Some people could use it, some people couldn't. So I'm back. You're new here. How do you get started? Just hang out, ask questions if you have any. It's a good starting point until you understand things a little better. Um, my indicator does all that for me, Gabe. You can go to grizzlytrace.com and read about Grizzology there. We had a big move overnight. Yesterday it didn't make sense to me the way we was moving. Today, I expected a bad day because of the massive move up we made overnight. Let's do it, Nick. Nick number 30 in the chat. Okay. Okay, I see you here. YouTube, can you all say some stuff in chat? See if it's working or it's froze up on me? There we go. I see it. Just depends on the setup. Anyway. Yeah, if, this could confirm a short entry if we get the right volume here. Yeah, it looks like we're going to. Looks like we're going to. Yes, you can share the live.
If we get that move up, I am going to try that. Maybe like 185, 180 area, stops above like 220.
It's not gonna give it. It's gonna rip.
You going to try it too?
Yeah, I like shorts.
If we go up there, yeah, I'll try it. I'm willing to start the day red if that doesn't work out. I would have rather seen us touch pre-market high, but I
Probably
mean,
just gonna
beggars
rip
can't
down
be
to
choosers.
VWAP.
Beggars can't be choosers, I guess.
Yep.
No, 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 don't dip first. Rip and then dip. Rip and then dip.
One 76, 216.
One 80 area is what I like for shorts. Just have to have stops above that high, above like 220.
Jesus Christ. It's gonna rip down.
I really wanted to see us touch that pre-market high, but it's all right.
I don't know about this one, everyone. Oh no. YouTube on its games. It's all right, everyone. Can you still hear me on YouTube? No, I'm not taking shorts here, everyone. I'm setting these shorts out, Jada.
I did either. I'm watching.
It could be the spot.
I don't love that we retested right into this range first, this 50% retracement, and then moved out. That's kind of annoying, but I'm not fully sold out on it yet. I'll let you guys know if I enter. I'd still like to see. All right, yeah, I'm not taking this.
Yeah.
So thank goodness I didn't.
What a candle, man. I mean, what kind of nonsense is that thing?
Let's see this here. I'd like to see a sweet pre-market high, then fail. Oh, don't you go right below pre-market high. Don't you dare do that. Don't you dare do that. That would have literally, I think, been the quickest stop out I'd ever had in my life. Don't you dare go to pre-market high, then die like that. I want to see us sweep this and fail.
With this volume. Jesus. 177. I like a long entry like at 180, but it's probably just gonna look at that.
No.
That's dangerous price action.
The only was literally how close are we to pre-market high there? Let's just go see. A point? A point? 1 point? I'm not in anything, no.
Well, yeah. I wanted to bounce right here. Well, I was gonna take everyone, but it moved from here to here in like a split second. Was it tough in Asia session, Corey? Hit it, King. Make sure you hit the follow TikTok. I go live every single morning. Well, it bounced where I wanted to. Don't you just hate when it moves that quickly? Like it just felt like it's gonna rip down after it ripped up so quickly. A bounce area would have been it. Did you grab them, Nick? Retesting the 15-minute range. Appreciate that, cowboy. This market's trying to trick us. I'm locked in today, everyone. If I'm not talking as much. What's up? I'm not in a trade, no. I don't have a good read here. The steam room. Jesus. I'm just gonna stick with the sauna. Got my sinuses. Have a good day, Red. Hope all is well. Been working a lot. It's all right. We're here whenever you're, not covered up. We'll work. Nice, Nick. I know you said you was taking it. I'm glad you made some money on it. You heading out, Kelsey? I may I'm gonna be around on this live for a bit, but I might after we end this morning session, grab me some lunch and just start right back up. See if we catch a later move. Probably on YouTube, maybe TikTok. So TikTok, I may stream on there. I may stream on TikTok as well. We'll see, but make sure you're following my YouTube if you don't want to miss out in case I don't get to. You can find my YouTube link, grizzlytrades.com. Look at the volume on this candle. What does that tell you? You see this volume on this candle, Jenna?
Horrible.
Yeah, it's horrible, man. It's legit retest entry. We could justify trying longs,
Yep.
but
We sweep pre-market high. Come back down. I'll try some shorts. No. We sweep that pre-market high. Have a reversal candle. I'll try shorts. I will try that if we can get confirmation.
this is from the way I trade, this is a good long setup here. It's just too much risk on this candle for me to enter.
Volume is horrible. That candle was horrible volume too. Literally horrible volume.
Yeah, it's horrible. But I was just basing it off the breakout candle. Because if we entered right here at the close, or even in the 20s, we have to put our stops at 170, like 175.
Join you. I may have joined you, but
Yeah.
I'd rather see a sweet pre-market high and try shorts first. At least for how I'm looking at this today. If you see a long entry you like, please be my guest and take it.
VIX dumped. Yeah, big Zo. That's the only thing the market's been giving us lately is big stop losses. So lowering volume, when you see, for for example, let me give an example if I could speak. So if we was approaching supply, right, and we's pushing up, what I would want to see is lowering volume. I don't want to see crazy increase in, very aggressive selling when I'm looking for a short, or a very aggressive buying rather, when I'm
Let's
looking
see what
for a
happens
short
here, guys.
entry. It's gonna rip up.
Higher volume on this too.
I did not miss that answer. Miss. Oh, may sweep.
260.
Which candle are you talking about? You talking about this one? Basing short, you was talking about why I wouldn't take shorts here. Is that the one you're talking about? I just
That's a
didn't
tough candle.
I just didn't like how we closed right at point of control for one, right at it. And another, we just was moving up quickly. We made a move down close to VWAP, then we was pushing up quickly. I just don't like to see that. Volume was rising quickly. Well, that's not always see life with what lens? Is that your name? Life with lens? So when I'm looking for a reject in supply and demand, or reject in general, when you're pushing up, I want to see lowering volume, right? As we're climbing up. If I'm looking to possibly take shorts in supply.
Entry.
But it don't always work like that. Some days you have days where it's low volume
I'd
climb
rather
day.
see one, but
That's why managing your risk is so important.
and then reject. Just want to see a little more confirmation. Not exactly the best candle that I wanted to see.
I don't like anything right here, to be honest with you all. I'm gonna hang around, see if we can catch a trade, but I don't like anything right now. I like the entry based off this candle here, close, because this was the retest, right? We got the confirmation with Grisology, but it just didn't quite pull back enough for me to be okay with the risk, point wise. Being a little picky, extra picky this morning because hold on a
That
second.
was for a short entry if we would get a reversal candle at this pre-market high.
What? Yesterday was the market wasn't good, in my opinion, like for my strategies at least. And today we had a big move up overnight, which makes the market more difficult. Right, Holly? Jaden could still be right here. We could sweep this and get a short entry, but I don't have a trade yet. He's just watching some lower time frame levels, Dom. I want to run up a payout on Apex again with the 20 accounts linked together. The only thing I hate about that is, if whenever you take something happens, let's say you lose them accounts 20 all at once, that hurts. Makes for a bad day. I don't hold on one second. I bet if we pull back, I bet it pulls back to point of control again. I like this. I don't. You all can't see it. Let me show you. I like this level up here for a reject that Grisology has. If we push up, I know it's quite a ways off, but in this market, we could be there in no time. I really like this zone here for a possible short. This supply we have here. This is hourly supply, which is my favorite time frame for zones when it comes to day trading, at least. What's your favorite time frames for supply and demand when you're trading? I don't think I've ever asked you all that question. All right. Have a good day. I was hoping to get you a trade before your boss was there, but oh,
The only other trade I see today for a long side entry. So maybe we pull back. It's that 50% retracements at like 160.
point of control.
What?
Right at point of control bounce.
Yup. Yeah, no shorts here for me.
No, I haven't caught a trade today yet. I'm hoping to, but
I'm just not a fan of trading slow grind up days.
I like the zone up here. If we get up there at 24,400, I don't really have anything for reject before the.
To me.
I'm hoping to add the Asia strategy to the Grisology. Hopefully
Yep.
this week. It's like a um, I don't know if you would call it a sweep strategy. It don't take it doesn't confirm a lot. You'd be lucky to get like 4 to 6 trades per month with it, but it's pretty solid win rate. So I'll have to show it to you.
These hands and knees, I'm saying, please give me what you need. For you. All right, let's see if they give us something finally.
Nothing yet, Brittany. What is it?
These future trades ain't got no love for me.
I
That's
said
a good. That's a good
24,400,
idea.
Ryan. What I was looking for.
Yeah, my short ideas kind of pooped out with this close above pre-market high. We got some aggressive reversal here on the 15 minute and 5 minute, maybe.
YouTube, make sure you have notifications on as well. Interesting candle. I would have went with Grisology on that trade if it just pulled back a little bit more. And it confirmed the orb for us, the retest side of it. One thing that you have to understand, especially if you're new to trading, or maybe you're, still just figuring things out. You've been in it, 6 months, a year, or something. Uh, not every day is going to be tradable. Some days you're just going to look at it like we do every day. I know we can talk about it, get upset or whatever. Some days will just not be tradable, not make sense. Every strategy you think should work will not work. That's why just you can't just keep forcing trades or trying to catch a trade when you know the market conditions are bad. That being said, we have not caught a trade yet, so I'm still watching. I'll attempt one. Yeah. What was I gonna ask? Let's see here. You leaving? Have a good day. Naya. I was trying to read more about the Nutridify. All right, sure would. Have a good day, man. Is it? Do you all see any setups that are close? I don't see any close setups right now. That's why I asked. It's 11-11. Make a wish. Anybody have any questions? Yeah, same here. Have a good workout. Gotta hit my second workout. Is the market gonna get better? I don't know. It'll come. We gotta manage our risk during the tough market conditions. Keep, grinding, staying consistent in this When the easy market comes, we'll be ready. We'll capitalize. TikTok, if you all would like to, you can move over to YouTube, or at least follow my YouTube in case I go live. I may go live a little bit later today on YouTube, okay? See if we can catch it set up. Maybe conditions will be better. We'll see. I'm gonna hang around for a little bit longer here. I want to see what we do. All right, Outside Daily. Have a good workout, man. What version of TradingView do you need for Grisology? I recommend getting the what is it, premium? I got the the more expensive one. You don't have to have it. Does anyone use I forget to say Grisology with the free version of TradingView? I'm just curious. I know you have to have real-time market data, but thanks, Harlem. Harlem says subscribe to your YouTube. Everyone's gonna love the Asia strategy I drop on there. I hope so. Hope you love it. Took a little longer to get right than I expected, but I believe it's ready. I just keep forgetting to actually do the update and drop it, you know? Let's see.
That one dude said I just wiped a little over a month's worth of profits last.
History says with TradingView, if you let me see if I'm reading this right. If you pay yearly, premium is the same price as plus, 70% off during the Easter. So appreciate that, History. King, no, it should be all the same. You do have to have live, like you have to have live data. I know that for sure. Once you have live data, you should be good to go on any of the packages as far as just watching the chart, you know. Just make sure you do a little homework on that. I'm not 100%. It's been a while since I purchased it, you know. Appreciate the follow on TikToks, everyone. I go live every morning, and I May go live a little later today again. Yeah, I'm gonna go live again if I can get the actual desktop stream from YouTube desktop, you know. I gotta work on that when I get off here. If I get it fixed quickly, I'll get back on. Thanks, Danny. Appreciate the follow, Reggie. Thomas, I don't know if you're still around or not, man, but thanks. I think this is a good stopping point for this live. Let me hop off here and grab some lunch, get my YouTube to work right, and stream from my desktop if I can get it going, okay? If something happens, we get a setup as soon as I get off here. They have to be just listening in, you know. But for real, I'll hopefully be back soon. So.